Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover a deleted board on Pinterest. So if you also want to recover a deleted board on Pinterest, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Pinterest application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. In order to recover a deleted board, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see three options over here: pins, boards and collages. Simply tap on the second option, that is boards. So recovering a deleted board is actually very simple. But keep in mind that you will not be able to recover a deleted board after 7 days. So if it is before 7 days, you'll be able to recover the deleted board. For that, what you have to do is in this interface, you'll be able to find the section for recently deleted. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for restore. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to restore your board. What you have to do is tap on the board that you want to restore. After that, at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for restore. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, your board will be restored. If you tap on it, you'll also be able to view the board over here. So that is how you recover the board. So that is how you recover a deleted board on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.